Who is Elon Musk? Everyone thinks he is a human, but I know he is secretly an alien that came from the planet Mars. Most of you are probably laughing your asses off right now. Think about it. All the companies he started up, Tesla makes solar products and self-driving electric cars because he knows that there is no oil on Mars. He also makes electric cars, so when he does return to Mars, he has something to drive around in. The Cybertruck looks like a car made for the planet Mars. Now onto his other company, SpaceX. He needs his company to make spaceships to move people from Earth to Mars because he plans to revive his planet. Last company he owns is the Boring Company. The Boring Company? That sounds weird. Anyways, I think he wants to make a civilization under the planet Mars due to the fact that the Mars surface is a hard place to live on. I was trying to have fun with this intro. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Anyways, let's move on to the video. So give me that part of the video was scripted. So please give me a thumbs up for this video. I would appreciate it, especially if I made you laugh, because I would probably laugh if I heard that. And on top of that, oh yeah, subscribe and share it if you want, if you think it's funny, shit. But anyways, I am going through my channel right now. This video is recorded as of April 27, 2020. I'm going to go through my channel and I'm going to be deleting any video I think is unnecessary. I'm going to try to make my channel more professional. I will leave videos that have a lot of views and thumbs up alone, but I'm going to delete most of my video, and I'm going to try to have a better image on my channel so people, when they click on my videos, they don't just, it's a sloppy video. So that's what I'm planning to do. Since this happened, I gotta bring it up. North American Tankers Limited. Unfortunately, I sold my call option. I wish I kept my call options. If I had my call options right now, it would be worth, when it opens up tomorrow, it could be worth 300% right now. I lost a 300%, 20 call options because I sold it. I was an idiot. I sold it, and I'm kicking myself right now because I think Nordic American Tankers is going to move up a lot further. I think we're going to see this thing back to $15 in the near future here. Just wait until earnings, because I believe when earnings pass for all these company stocks, all these tanker stocks are going to move up in a big way. I just wanted to talk about it because the stock after hours is trading at $7.77. The market is officially closed right now, and I thought that was kind of funny. 777. 7's my lucky number because I was born on July 7, 1987. So I thought that was kind of funny. I wish I had some shares of Nordic or even call options that would have made me happy, but I don't. I do own, however, TK Corporation because I liked the company when I was researching it, and I decided to buy more. So I have a decent amount of shares in TK. I did not buy any on April 27th. I should have bought a little bit more, but I'm hoping for a pullback, but I don't think that's going to happen now. I think the stock's going to keep running. This video won't get released until April 29th because I plan to release one video a day because I want to focus on quality versus quantity. Anyways, moving forward, the reason why, as I'm talking, as I'm making this video, as I'm recording, the oil is trading at $12.13. The lower oil goes, if oil goes back to zero, those tankers are going to go up massively because they're going to demand so much money for the oil products, and I think there's going to be a stock explosion in these tanker stocks. That's what I truly believe. Maybe comment down below, tell me I'm dumb and it's not going to happen and this is a spec play and I should leave it alone and just take my profit. I don't plan to take my profit on TK. I own a decent amount of shares. I don't. I plan to add more, so I hope it pulls back tomorrow on the 28th. But this video will be released on the 29th. I hope that it pulls back tomorrow. I hope that tomorrow oil bounces hard and then all these tanker stocks plummet so I can add onto my position, because I do really believe in these tanker stocks. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But again, this is a pre-recording, so I can't really control of what it will happen. But anyways, let's move on to Tesla. I apologize for this clickbait video because it is going to be kind of clickbait. This video is going to be released on the day Tesla reports its earning at 8 a.m. I plan to release a video at 8 a.m. my time. Mountain time, I guess. Anyways, Tesla right now, as of this recording, is trading at $798.75. There was a person that bought call options on Tesla not too long ago for $1,500. It's a long-term call option that expires on, I think, 2021. I don't have the call options in front of me, but if I look at the option prices right now, I can tell you, I believe it was 2021 that he bought it for. I believe it was January 15, 2021. I could be wrong. He bought $1,500 call options. Right now, it's worth about $56 per contract. I think it's longer than that. I could be wrong. I totally could be wrong. But I think it's longer than that. It could be January 22nd, 21st, 2022. I don't remember, but I believe that if everything goes back to normal, I believe that Tesla could go to $1,500. This would give Tesla a market cap of $300 billion. It does sound ridiculous for a car company, but I do believe that Elon Musk could bring the stock price to $1,500 in the future. I think rich people are going to plummet money into Tesla because they want Elon Musk to send them to Mars. My opinion. And eventually SpaceX will be a publicly traded company, and that will give him access to even more money to build a lot of spaceships and a lot of cars and then start sending stuff to Mars. That's what I believe. I don't know if that's going to be the scenario, but I do believe that Elon Musk wants to push the future, that he basically wants to go to Mars. I'm pretty sure on that. That's why I made that intro. We'll see what happens in the future. Hopefully I'm still alive 10 years down the road and Tesla is worth, $5,000 because I think that's possible. I think Tesla could be the most valuable company in the entire world because what they're doing right now is they're making smart cars, and they have no competition. They're like the Apple and Android of the car industry, and they have absolutely no competition when it comes to the technology and the technology basically, and the ability to build massive amount of electric cars. Because right now those gas guzzlers, the ice makers, the ice box cars, I guess, the GMs and the Fords and the Toyota, they cannot make electric cars on a mass scale. And by the time they can make electric cars on a mass scale, Tesla is going to have such a huge market lead on all the cars that people will be like, why are you owning a Ford? Why don't you own a Tesla? I think people are going to be looked down upon not owning a Tesla in the future. That's my bullish case in the future, and I do believe that Tesla will become the most valuable company in the future. I do hope Tesla stock crashes after earnings because I want to be part of that, right? Maybe I'll buy a little bit of Tesla just so I can be part of it. I'm definitely going to buy some call option, and I'm going to gamble that Tesla crashes after earnings. If it doesn't, at least I made some money. But I do hope it crashes after earnings. I hope Tesla goes all the way down to 500 USD. But I'm definitely going to be buying some call options, some call options on Tesla, because if it doesn't plummet, at least I made some money. But we'll see what happens. Definitely camping Tesla stock right now, and I'm hoping, it declines a little bit so I can buy some call options tomorrow. We'll see what happens. But I do plan to buy a little bit of call options on Tesla because I'm going to bet that Tesla goes up. But I'm really hoping that Tesla goes down. Right now, I don't think revenue and money matters because I know how money moves. Money right now is moving into the Tesla story, not the fundamentals. The fundamentals have nothing to do with it. It's about the story of Tesla right now. Tesla has an attractive story. They're going to be the world leader in electric self-driving cars, and they're going to dominate the world. And right now, like out of all the companies, Tesla Shanghai factory is 100% owned by Tesla, and China has no say in that company. Like most companies like Ford and GM, if they open up a company in China, China owns 50% of that company. But with Tesla, they own 100% of their company. Disney is in China, and the government owns 50% of Disney, 50% of that theme park in Disney in China. China is giving Tesla a lot of benefits for starting up a company in China. So that's pretty cool. That's the reason why, and I think China is really pushing for Tesla to be, the #1 company in the future. And I think Tesla ultimately will destroy oil in the future because, cars consume a lot of oil, and without cars, without like ICE cars, oil consumption is going to be reduced dramatically in the future. So I do believe in Tesla, and I think Tesla will be a dominant player in the future. That's my opinion. So anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.